Hey everyone, it's Nezzle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel Nezzle and to another vlog. In today's video, I'm up in Carriacou and I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of how the island is looking. We're just a couple months after Beryl. It's currently September. You can see repairs being done in certain areas, but sadly, there's still a long way to go. But I did feel a lot of hope when I arrived this time compared to last time, because you can see that the trees are growing back. You can see some greenery. And you can see that, progress is being made, but there's still a lot to be done. There's still a lot of people who need help, so don't stop sending help and, assisting wherever you can. But I just wanted to, as I'm here, just give you guys a little glimpse into how Hillsborough is looking. Guys, AD stream has leveled up. Check this out.
Operation failed.
Oh, wow.
Operation failed. Unlock.
I had to try 3 times, but so now you don't have to worry about having your key or like, oops, I forgot my key inside, because it's fingerprint. I mean, clearly I had to try a few times, but it does work. I like that. Love that upgrade. Well done. Some people call it 80 stream. I think the correct term is Addie's dream, but you know what I mean. And they did sustain some damages, but mainly to one part of the hotel. Hillsborough Beach. It's looking really beautiful and inviting this morning. You can see the jetty over there and work being done as we speak. Hillsborough Beach here as well, and there's the jetty on this side. Something used to be here, not sure what, but standing on the foundation. There's some boats. Hey, hello! I didn't see you there. What's up? You good? I wasn't telling you to go relax. Enjoy yourself. Inside of the Catholic Church. Look at the church.
Yes.
Carriacou Health Services. They got some damage, but they're working on it.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late.
We're here by the Princess Royal Smart Hospital, and they've already made the repairs to the hospital, which is awesome. And there's this really beautiful panoramic view right outside the hospital here.
This ship around, we can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have.
So wind generated for they had a still at top spins around crutches, whatever. They have the sugarcane mill as well, right? Yeah. So if you look to your left, straight over the hill, over the car, you see the next one out there?
Right, yes.
Right, so that next one now, that one was the sugar mill. Because you had more, you have the stage and everything you could have climbed up to feed the mill.
With me, turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need.
So from the northern part of the island to the southern part, it's all surrounded by reefs. And this is where Carriacou got its name from.
With no cares, we can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have. I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you. And I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. I said and follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars about to let us know how to go?
I wanna be yours, I wanna be alive. Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And my demons trying to say what's up. I've been waiting for this my whole life. Wanna do it again 3-4 times, cause it's better than a dream. Highway with young lean, I will never get enough. So high, what a nice surprise. You're all I ever had in mind. I'm happy in the sky, a big case of desire. I will never say goodbye. That's right. That's right. That's right. I wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Tell the bodies to pull up. There's a party we can go all night. I will show you how to run the red light. If you wanna, you can call me mine. Somewhere on the highway, under the starlight, you tuck me in.
Time to head home.